Hello guys, SHARY here. So finally I finished my tower defense game. Of course this is a stage 1, so it's just stay in the video so you're gonna see how the project grows. Basically I'm like very happy with the result, as it cost me a lot of energy to finish it, and also there was like I had like two bugs or maybe three bugs which wasn't logical at all. Maybe was, but of course I didn't know about it, which stopped me, and I nearly quit the Unity. But of course I'm never gonna do this. But yeah, but you know what I mean. Like I was like fuming or something, like what to do. But I fixed it. Um, so basically this is it. So I just made here like a system to I could build towers on the specific tiles, and what I got here is like how many enemies left, like gold, and one, 2 and 5 times a time, so I could check it faster, so debug the game faster basically. Then I have was thinking, oh, what sprites I'm gonna use for my towers, because this is of course tower defense games and it's in 2D, so I don't have these sprites, and what to do. So I draw these sprites. Of course they looks regular. So I was thinking, oh, okay, so I'm gonna draw other upgrades to it, and it will be like that basically. So after that, my idea evolved to something different. Here I'm gonna show you the I made this upgrade system, so you could upgrade the tower, or you could sell the tower or turret. Yeah, you see I'm selling, and I could put in the same place, because that was one of the issue as well, because when I build the tower on the specific tile, it was occupied already, so I cannot build again even when the field was empty, so I have to did it by code, of course. And then I add some range. I see here I add some range, and as you could see, I add the different sprites, so that middle tower's got like level 2, and I'm gonna make level 3, so level 4 looks like that. I made it basically to towers gonna have, you know, different sprite on every level is gonna be different sprite. Then I get the idea to make the towers by the like swords instead of like some gun on the top or something like that. I made the medieval weapons, right? And as you could see, my idea works. So it looks okay. So I knew that I could continue that idea. Then I have added the monster sprites, and of course I just found this pack for I think in the asset store, but of course the monster was without the walking animation, so I make like wobble script so they looks like they walking. Yeah, so you see this, then I upgrade the UI, so as you could see it looks better. Yeah, and these monsters wobbling when walking, you know, but still the issue was I had only one tower, so as you could see that was a range before, like very huge range. Of course I decreased it after to smaller one, And yeah, and as you could see, I added the like death particles when the monster is killed. It's like blood particles on him. Then I was adding the another turret types or tower types, so which will be was axe tower, right? So as you could see, that projectiles are rotating, so it's like throwing axe, you know. So yeah, that was a nice idea. So I was very happy with that idea. And then as you could see, I added like 2 more types, which is like 4 types in total. One is the axe tower, the fire tower, which is burning the enemy and giving the damage per second. And you see the game is like in good shape now. What was that? some lorry outside or something. Yeah, and also slow tower, so you could slowing down the enemies. And I added here like more tiles to just checking things. Yeah, and I added like these gold particles, so when you killing the enemy, you see how many golds you're receiving. Yeah, and basically I was very happy because I know the games is like nearly done. Basically that balancing thing was a little bit hard, and I didn't balance it properly, but the game is playable. So, and that's how it looks like from Unity, but in the description there is a link to my itch.io, and this is a WebGL game, so you could play from the browser. You don't have to download anything or anything like that. Even you could play on your phone. Well, I checked and I was surprised. So yeah. So, and basically it looks like that. So it's like little gameplay. Of course you could you're supposed to play on my itch.io, because here I'm just did a quick gameplay in the Unity, you know. So, but as you could see, also look what I added. It's like rain particles effect. So instead of adding music, I have added the particles. Sorry, I have added the rain music, like, you know, like rain sound. So as a music. So yeah, and little particles. Yeah, and then you see if you don't have gold and you got insufficient gold. Yeah, and it looks like this. And there is 50 waves. So if you like playing tower defense games, just give it a try. I'm gonna tell you, like, at the start of the game, it could be a little bit hard if you not place the towers in proper places. But after that, when you get through after like 20 levels, for example, then it will be easier, you know. So that's why, because the game is not balanced properly. So yeah. But it's probably not a problem to balance it, but I just would like to go further and make another games, you know. I still got some stuff to learn, which I will be doing now, probably after recording that video. What else? Yeah, and that's it. Maybe I'm gonna record some tutorials as well about some topics in Unity. So if you are like not subscribing my channel yet, subscribe my channel, because when I get to the point where I've got more time, then I'm gonna do much more what's the name, much more content. Yeah, so like stay tuned. Yeah, and I think that's it. So I'm not gonna showing more stuff in the game. So that thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.